Time for a treat.
Freeze! Huh? Freeze!
How? How?
Don't kill me!
Hello?
Don't kill me!
Time for a treat.
Freeze! Don't kill me!
Hello? Good morning. Good morning.
Please don't.
How?
Please don't. Huh? Wait a second.
Here, take this.
Amazing how you walk around like that. Snake! Been waiting long?
Where's my gear?
Right over there. That's more like it. Everything you had when you were captured is still there. Why are we still here? Just to suffer? Every night, I can feel my leg, and my arm, even my fingers.
Somebody there? Who's there? Don't sneak up on me like that. Nah, it was just my imagination playing tricks on me.
Put the enemy into the sighted. Send additional personnel.
Understood.
No problem here. Huh? Wish I had that.
Return to your positions. Tighten security. Understood.
The world are no longer a threat. The blind rush to nuclear proliferation will be contained, and it will be the Marine Corps and our raid that will accomplish this. At the moment, every industrialized nation on the globe knows the specifications for metal. Worse yet, the future possibility of reduced nuclear defense capability. NMD technology leaked to other nations would make that contingency likely. But if this theory is correct, it means that there was a calculated intent to cash in on this opportunity by specific interests within the military-industrial complex. We are here today to flush out and rid our country of these corrupting forces. That is our mission. You will bear that in mind. Our own raid project. But I promise you that they will not succeed. I have a daughter. It is my greatest wish never to have her. You're all familiar with the Shadow Moses incident during the Sears administration. The current state of nuclear proliferation is a direct result of that event.
Metal Gear.
You're all familiar with the Shadow Moses incident during the Sears administration. The current state of nuclear proliferation is a direct result of that event.
Metal Gear.
You're all familiar with the Shadow Moses incident during the Sears administration. The current state of nuclear proliferation is a direct result of that event.
Metal Gear.
You're all familiar with the Shadow Moses incident during the Sears administration. The current state of nuclear proliferation is a direct result of that event.
Metal Gear.
Better than scavenging at the mission site. Good suppressor, too.
The chemical stun will take effect in a few seconds and last for hours. You can take down an elephant with that thing. Check out the laser sighting, too. The effects of the anesthetic round will vary depending on what part of the body is hit. We're talking about a difference of tens of seconds between hitting limbs, chest, or head. All right, let's look at your gear. Your weapon is a tranquilizer gun.
Good.
But I promise you that they will not succeed.
So, any codec moments from you, Snake? Okay, first up, Oh, this is,
What?
nothing. It's nothing. But this isn't a photo of Metal Gear anyway. Sorry, but you're gonna have to go back and shoot another set. I'll just make a backup of this one. The next one's... This is hilarious! This rules. But we can't use it. Get the shots we need. I'll just make a backup of this one. Next up is... More of these? Is that all you think about? Hey, what you like is your business. Just get those Metal Gear pictures. I'll just make a backup of this one. The next image is... So, this explains a lot. Not that there's anything wrong with keeping it to yourself. I mean, you know, it's your life and everything. But you're going to have to take those Metal Gear photos now. Ah, don't send me creepy stuff like this. What if I get possessed or something? Sorry, but this doesn't work. I hate to ask, but can you try again?
There's someone else here. Send him back ASAP.
Understood. Dispatching all your units. We need your computer room in the show on court. Don't let him escape. Attack team, come back at once. Guard team, stay alert.
Right, and what are you looking at? Oh, I see. Rosemary,
What?
could you excuse him for a moment?
Huh?
You know, so he can...
Ah, I get it. Jack, let me know when you're done, okay?
Right, and what are you doing there? With that?
I don't believe it. What are you thinking? Enduring your duties?
I highly disapprove.
Even though every one of us is scrambling to do our best to support you, this? And what exactly are you going to do? Drool over pictures of voluptuous girls?
Exactly.
At least use a picture of me instead.
Why?
I mean,
I completely disapprove. Right, and I didn't know you had such weird interests. Not that there's anything wrong with that, though. Just that, well, it's a little weird.
Jack, I think that's a little weird.
A ridin'?
Jack, give it a rest. I can't bear watching you do that.
I disapprove. Return to your duties. That's what I feel like saying, but I'm beginning to feel like putting you in charge was not such a good idea. Raiden, I'm at a loss for words.
I'm afraid to ask. Do you do that in my room, too? I can't believe you, Jack. Do you know what that place is?
I just thought maybe the bomb disposal instructor might be in there.
Why would he be in there?
You never know. He's AWOL, and...
Even AWOL, a normal guy wouldn't go into a woman's bathroom. You're the only one I know who would. You're, like, really strange.
Rosemary, settle down.
But...
It's all right. Right, Rosemary is right. You should probably look someplace else. I can really sympathize with you there, though.
What, sir?
Nothing. Raiden, that's that. Return to your duties.
You guys are unbelievable.
Raiden, my sympathies. Sneaking missions are called wet works for a reason after all.
Don't worry about it, Jack. It's okay.
Rose?
That is, as long as you take a shower the second you get back. Do we have a deal?
What's up? Venus in Cancer.
You must be Ames.
Hello? What's up?
You must be Ames.
What's up?
You must be Ames.
What's up? You must be Ames. You must be Ames. You must be Ames. You must be Ames. Venus in Cancer. Good morning. Good morning. What's up? What's up?
Freeze! No! Freeze! Please don't. Ah! Shoot! Ah!
Oh, Venus in Cancer.
We initiated development of Metal Gear Ray as a countermeasure to these pirated weapons forces. The only thing that can stand up to a Metal Gear is, of course, another Metal Gear. With Ray, the hundreds, if not thousands, of Metal Gears that exist all over the world are no longer a threat. The blind rush to nuclear proliferation will be contained, and it will be the Marine Corps and our Ray that will accomplish this. I'm on a roll here. Let's go on a little bit longer. The brain drain of nuclear specialists and the black market trade in weapons-grade plutonium has been fueling a cottage industry in nuclear weapons since late last century. Add Metal Gear to the mix, and the result is the renewed proliferation you see the world over. We once lived in the shadow of the Doomsday Machine.